So, apparently anyone vaguely interested in electronics is doing unboxing videos right now. I've seen it on at least 2 channels, so it must be true. Mm. Yeah, so I decided to record mine. It will be extremely boring and there will be very little of electronics here. I have no idea why you came here to watch this. I'm recording it only to test my new camera mount and recording setup. If you want to watch a good unboxing where you can actually learn something, I can recommend you bigclive.com channel. I will link it under the video. But I don't want to make it unnecessarily long, so I have 2 packets from Amazon. And let's dive into them. I warn you, this will be extremely disappointing if you're looking for a lot of fun electronic stuff. Maybe another video will be better. I'm a little bit in a hurry, so here do we have disposable forks and disposable spoons. Yeah, that's it. I need them, so I bought them. So this is first package. Second package will be this one. I hope the noise and sound isn't too offensive. I can see everything. So, ouch, I pressed something. Yeah. So we have some coffee cups. We have the electronics bit that are the ferrule cable termination fittings. I bought this set because I'm out of the frame. It has for the single wire and for the double wire. I would prefer to have more of those double wire ones, but I will take what I got. I will test those and crimping in another video because apparently everyone is doing crimping tool reviews or tutorials, so I will make one to have more videos on my channel. So this will be later. Oh yeah, I have to point, yes, okay, no, this way, whatever, yeah, point. We have some towels that look quite thin, but whatever. And we have some branded building blocks, a set that can be a donut food truck and some kind of worker in or policeman because of the badge. Yeah. And additional options. Yeah, unfortunately, I will not put this complete this construction on the video because it's the present, and so are those 2 building block surfaces. Yeah, so that is all from me, and every little bit speck of dust is extremely visible on this mat. That will definitely not be a problem in future that I will have to deal with. Yeah, but that's all from me. And if you want to see good unboxing videos, go to bigclive.com. In the description there will be link. I don't know how to do end cards yet, so that's it. See you.